If you want to maintain your privacy while using Hopper, you can hide your online status. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open the app. Launch the Hopper app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Locate the Settings menu, usually represented by a gear icon. Tap on it to open the settings options for your account. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Scroll through the settings until you find the Privacy or Account Settings section. This is where you can manage your visibility options. Step 4. Adjust online status. Look for an option that mentions online status or visibility. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status, make sure to save any changes you made. Exit the settings menu and continue using the app with your new privacy settings. By following these steps, you can enjoy using Hopper without worrying about your online presence being visible to others.